How's it going, guys? This is Cerebro here for T3G. Today we're going to be doing a quickie review here of the Green Throttle Atlas controller. It is an Android controller, Bluetooth powered. I tried to connect to my Windows, but it is really more of an Android device. I don't normally go through the box itself, but I do dig the artwork. So I don't know how well this is going to show on the camera, but it's really awesome for some CAD drawing here. I presume CAD, and that's my experience in this kind of look. And then on the inside of the box, it actually has the front of the controller, so it's pretty sweet as far as the actual artwork on the box. So let's get to the product. This is the controller itself. What I really liked about it, it has a lot of the Xbox feel to it. It's got the thumbstick in the same position, the buttons are all in the same place. Pretty much really, it's, I would say, a straight homage to an Xbox controller. The triggers are not quite as nice. I mean, they're a little more basic. The bumpers, same kind of thing. They're pretty much straightforward buttons, not a lot of give on them. And the grip itself is not 100% super comfortable, but I think overall it does the job. I did test it with Sonic on my system, on my actual phone. Worked really well. Once you actually get all the settings correct, once you get the button mappings correct, it works pretty well for the game. Powered by two AA batteries in the bottom here, pretty straightforward. They both face the same way, so make sure you are following the instructions in the setup, because you don't want to be trying to set it up opposite, which is what most devices have, is one faces one way, the other way. Now this can connect up to 4 different devices. If you hold a button here, it'll actually flash. That puts it in pairing mode. If it is already paired, it will, after a second here, and my phone is in the room, so should pair up. So yeah, we got one light here. Yet to figure out exactly how to get it to pair with other things. I tried, it had issues, didn't give me any other lights, but I presume that's right here. The really nice thing about this is really the only thing that comes in the box. AA batteries, you've got settings, finding games, which is nice. The other cool thing, the back of the sheet comes with a list of all the games that are known to be compatible with the device. It's actually pretty sweet. It's got a whole bunch of things going from Pixel Jungle Treasure, GTA Vice City to Riptide, Samurai Showdown, and such. It's I would say probably around 150, 200 games on here. So that's all the known ones that they've tested, things like that. One thing I will say, this looks to have been discontinued from the company itself. When I looked it up, I tried to find Windows drivers for it. The website itself did not have really any information. It had a, hey, we've discontinued the app. Now, I don't know if the device itself is no longer produced, because I do see a lot of them on eBay. That's actually why I'm doing the review. I do see a lot of them still out there. I just want to kind of put my 2 cents in. But otherwise, I think it's a pretty solid device. Yeah, I don't think the support is really necessary, honestly. It's pretty straightforward. If you've done any kind of controller mapping before, you've got your buttons, you've got your inputs, and once you get into the software itself, whichever app you're dealing with, once you map the correct buttons, I mean, it all works pretty seamlessly. So I would say, if you're looking for a sweet controller, you like the Xbox feel, this is the way to go. Green Throttle Atlas, it's the way to go.